Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Let your hands rest where they feel most at ease. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable, or soften your gaze. Take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Again, a deep breath in and out. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw unclench. Allow the weight you've been carrying today to settle for a moment. You don't have to hold everything right now. As therapists, we hold space for others. We listen deeply, we care, we show up. And while this work is meaningful, it also takes energy. Picture yourself setting down a heavy bag at your feet. Inside this bag are the stories, emotions, and worries you've carried today. You don't need to unpack it right now. You just need to set it down. Let your body feel what it's like to be lighter, to not carry so much, even for a little while. Now place a hand over your heart or lay it down on your lap, wherever feels comfortable. Take another breath in. And as you exhale, silently say to yourself, I have done enough today. I am allowed to rest. Another breath in. And as you exhale, caring for myself allows me to care for others. These words aren't just reminders, they are truths. You cannot pour from an empty cup, and you're just as deserving of kindness as those you support. Now, notice your breath again. No need to change it, just observe. Each inhale bringing in calm, each exhale releasing tension. Notice the way your body feels. Your feet on the floor, the steady rise and fall of your chest. Right now, right in this moment, nothing is required of you. You are not a therapist, a helper, or a problem solver. You are simply a person breathing. And that is enough. As this meditation comes to an end, take one last deep breath in and sigh it out. When you're ready, bring some movement back into your body. Roll your shoulders, wiggle your fingers and toes. How does that feel? Slowly open your eyes or let them focus again, and take in the space around you. Remember, you are doing important work, but you're not the work itself. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to take up space in your own life.